We don't need to buy the by-election. That assertion from Prime Minister Andrew Holness this evening, as JLP supporters remain confident that their candidate, Dr. Norman Dunn, will win the South East St. Mary's seat. All this at a Jamaica Labour Party JLP meeting last night in Anoto Bay, St. Mary, where the Prime Minister announced October 30 as a date for 3 by-elections. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the details.
A party-like atmosphere in Anoto Bay, St. Mary, as JLP supporters celebrated the announcement of 3 by-elections. In Southwest St. Andrew, it's Angela Brown-Burke versus Victor Hyde. Over in South St. Andrew, Mark Golding versus Dennis Messias. Those 2 seats are considered safe for the opposition People's National Party, so not much should change. All eyes are therefore on Southeast St. Mary, a marginal seat.
This one is called the settlement of the argument. Labor rights argument done.
It's a race with 2 doctors, the PNP's Shane Alexis, a medical doctor, and Dr. Norman Dunn, a pharmacist. The pharmacist says he has the right portion for the job.
The right mixture for this job, the right medicine for this job. It's only when a pharmacist can dispense. And even when a doctor prescribes, I don't have to accept what I'm prescribed. I can refuse to fill it because I believe if it's not for the right patient, I won't fill it. So let me tell you this. I am not filling any other prescription for no doctor for Southeast St. Mary because your medicine is bad medicine. So show a labor rights.
Dr. Dunn adds that he has a development plan for the constituency but did not go into details. He, however, supported the fixing of the Junction Main Road, which has been at the center of controversy. The PNP says the over $600 million road contract is a tool to help the governing party win the Southeast St. Mary seat.
The party that I lead will conduct itself and hold itself to the highest standard of probity and accountability. We have heard all kind of talk, but we are going to show them that this is a by-election, not an election to be bought. We don't need to buy this election in order to win this election.
That score will be settled on Monday, October 30, the date for all 3 by-elections. Nomination day will be on Monday, October 9.
So now that the date for the by-election has been announced, how do JLP supporters feel about their candidate, Dr. Norman Dunn? And what are some of the issues that they want to be addressed?
Water, road, and the necessary things, and just give us his love and whatever he have else to share.
One way, Dr. Dunn, it's a done deal.
Dr. Dunn is a man from the people, by the people, and for the people.
At the first, we're going to have an MP, we cut a band and go on that bay. First, the history. We feel that he's going to do a change where we never get to that bay.
What kind of change you want to see?
More jobs. He said, "Man, make factory," and I believe in him. Road are fix up, I believe in him. Houses are going to fix up, I know him will give houses. I don't have to ask.
And since Dr. Dunn is considered a son of the soil when it comes to Southeast St. Mary, he was conferred with this title.
I am the qualified man I had in Jamaica, but tonight, by the order vested in me, I now proclaim you Dr. Norman Dunn,
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.